Hi everyone. So I just wanted to make sure you knew how to get into vocabulary.com. So this is my account, Miss Kalasia. So I can't type in all your email addresses just because there's so many of you and it's not linked to Westside. So gets a little complicated. It's not like it would pop up and yada yada yada. It's easier for me if you guys go in. I'm gonna send you, I just copied it. It'll be on the welcome PowerPoint. I'll have that link so you can just copy it and plug it in. But you just need to copy it, go up here to a new tab, and when you do it, you are now in the class. And then if you come over here so it's these three squares over here, you will see assignments and activities. So if I ever give you a vocab list to practice or things like that, you will have it there, my list, my classes. That's mainly my stuff because you won't really have that. I don't think you can create a list, but like I can for our FlowCab words and things like that. You'll be able to do that. So I just need you to go ahead, copy that link into a new tab. You should be able to join, no problem then. I just have one class for the 2020-2021 school year because I'm worried that some people at home might be coming in and out at different times. And I want to give access to as many people as possible. For those of you who have never used it before, you can click play and there's jams you can play, like you can join the jam, and play other people. You can play challenges and start mastering words. There's different activities, and then sometimes I'll give you a list of vocab words to practice. It's going to be a lot of, the word asynchronous means like homework essentially, and vocab.com is going to be a lot of your asynchronous time. I can go in and see how long you guys have been logged in, so I might say you have to do it for like an hour a week. Find an hour in the 7 days to do it, and sometimes I'll give you class time to work on it and stuff like this. It's always the kind of thing where like if you finish ahead of everyone else, vocab.com is a great way to do it. There are lists. So if you search like middle school, no, it gives you the definition. So there's like, this is what I meant to do. It gives you different books and things like that. There's lists of like 100 vocab words, SAT, language, 25 words, ASVAB, that's if you want to join the military, all these different things that help you to get a little bit better at vocab. So there you go. Okay. So again, it's just this link right here. You put it in the new tab, and then you can go ahead and play around with it. Sounds good, guys.